Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest for Etsy sales, and this will be the tutorial for total beginners. So for your Etsy store, to use Pinterest is really important, and it's actually free, so why not to get the free traffic from Pinterest? So there's actually quite a few things we're going to talk about today, and first of all, what you need to do every single day. So first of all, you need to create 5 to 7 standard pins and upload them every single day. This is really important because Pinterest really likes consistency, and if you will create 5 to 7 standard pins every single day and upload them, they gonna rank you higher. So first of all, the size of the Pinterest pin is actually, let's write on Pinterest here on Canva. I use Canva to create my Pinterest pins, and as you can see, there's a pin 1,000 times 1,500, and also this a bigger one. So I always choose the bigger one because Pinterest likes them more than the smaller ones. And here I create my pins. So let's just click on any of the templates here. Maybe let's choose this one or this one. Well, basically, of course, you need to create your pins from scratch, or you can use some templates and edit something, edit the photos, and so on. I don't know what you will be promoting, but for Etsy sales, you of course need to promote your product. So for products, you will not use the templates, you will just create something from scratch, and so on. Now, also, you will need to post one idea pin a day. The idea pins is actually like a stories pin, like a story on Instagram. And now let's search story pin. Maybe we will find some. I cannot see it here. The Pinterest idea pins are actually like a story pin, and you will need to create like 5 or more Pinterest images or on Canva, or you can also create videos. So for example, let's search here on templates, Pinterest idea pins, and as you can see, let's try to find one. Basically, the idea pin is to add more, like 5 or something, and then you will go to Pinterest, click create idea pin, and you will choose up to 20 images. You're gonna upload them here on Pinterest, and then you will have your story idea pins. Now, also you need to put keywords in your titles on your Pinterest pin. It's really important for you to rank on Pinterest and get clicks to your Etsy store. Also, you don't want to repeat the title or descriptions on every single of those pins, because Pinterest doesn't like that, and you will rank better and will have a better better chance to rank on Pinterest by using different titles and descriptions every single time. Also, just understand that it takes time for pins to rank. Sometimes it even takes like 6 months to rank, so be patient about that. And that's basically that, guys. Also, I didn't show you that For example, the Pinterest idea pin size is not 1080 9020, but it's 1000 times 1,500, like this one. As you can see, Pinterest idea pin, but you will find it on Canva. So basically that's it, guys. That's how you use Pinterest for your Etsy shop. Just make sure to make your pins really beautiful ones and bright ones for people to see and click on your product. If you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.